Hi there. This is a question I got months and months ago, and I'm finally getting around to making a video about it. Here was the question. They said, I try not to assume things about people. I am objective by nature. Marketing tells us to read into people's lives, generalize, and make content based on assumptions. I really struggle with that. I feel like I'm being insincere, pushy, and assuming, all things I hate. So how can I speak to my audience's problems without doing the whole assuming things about them thing? This feels like a poignant problem for me specifically since I am bridging worlds. Okay. So the answer is in the question, because in the question, they said, so how can I speak to my audience's problems? Aha. See, this is the key. If you have an audience, they probably share problems, but perhaps not. What I mean is this. You might have just started doing things as a general practitioner. So you're seeing a lot of people. People come to you for all sorts of things, and you're freestyling. Everybody you see has got a different issue, so you try something new. You understand? You're a massage therapist. Somebody comes for back pain. Somebody comes for foot pain. Somebody else has headaches. Somebody else has got anxiety. There's absolutely no pattern, and this gets considered to be, well, this is my audience. So then if I start talking to just back pain, well, a lot of them don't have back pain, so they're not going to relate to it. They won't respond to it, and maybe then I'm just assuming things or projecting something on them. So that's a result of being a generalist for so long. Here's what I would say. You don't want to work with everybody. Not everybody wants to work with you. You're not as good at helping everybody with every problem, and you're not as passionate about helping everybody with every problem. So my guess is that if you're in that situation, your audience might feel good, but it's not feeling fantastic. There are some people who just are not a good fit to be working with you. So this is a real chance to hone who your audience is, but that's a transition, you see, from I've got a general audience who just kind of stumbled across me and I just happen to live near them and they see me out of habit, and I'm pretty good at helping them. It's not legendary, but it's good enough that they keep coming, to I serve a particular group of people with a particular problem. That's a bit of a leap to make. How do you make that leap from general everybody to helping a particular group? Well, if you do that, you're going to lose people. You will absolutely lose a big chunk of these people, but they will be replaced over time. And you don't have to do it overnight. You can just start making specific offers tailored to these people and phase it in. But these people will be so thrilled. You will discover the meaning of my people once you start focusing on the people you really want to help, the problems you really want to solve, start being much more honest about your point of view. You will be shocked at how much better this can feel. And then there's no assumptions being made. There's no assumption because they came to you because they're struggling with this problem. So you don't need to assume it, When you're speaking to your people by definition are the people struggling with this problem or the people who want this particular product, the people who are interested in the kind of work that you do. But if you're trying to be everything to everybody, which is the death knell of every business, yeah? If you're trying to please everybody, if you're trying to be so general so that everybody likes you and never turn anybody away, you're just never going to be that good at helping people. You're never going to hit home runs all the time. Versus if you're really working with your people, man, you're hitting home runs all day long. And your marketing is speaking to them because you have a clear sense of who your people are. So if you're worried about making assumptions, what that means is you actually don't know who they are and what their problems are. You don't know what kind of products they're interested in. Versus if you make that decision of what the things are you want to offer and who you want to help, all of a sudden it works so much better. So this is a real case for for niching. The more we niche, the more we filter, the less assumptions there are to make. We just know that that's true about them because they're responding to our ads, to our content on that topic. Also, it's not a bad idea to pepper our marketing material with some softening words like maybe and many people find, or it could be that, and that can help a lot. So we don't always have to just be so strident and certain about everything. We can also say, for many people, it seems to be the case that this. you can soften it in that way too. Those are my thoughts for today. That's my answer for the question. Thank you so much for the question. I can't even remember who it was who asked it, but I hope you find this video. And if you didn't ask for this video, but it was useful, thanks to that person doubly as well for giving us something useful to discuss. If you have a question, please put it below. I may or may not remember that you asked what your name was, but I probably will make a video about it at some point. So if you have a question, I'd really love to hear it below, and I will try to get back to it as soon as I'm able to. That's it. Marketingforhippies.com is my website. Please hit the red subscribe button, the bell icon, if you want to get more notifications about my videos. Like the video, it does boost it in the rankings. Thanks so much.